This is a map of Malawi, and from north to south, with the lake, diocese is in the north, and the center in the south.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Adesso siamo qui nei nostri uffici,
This is made here in our own workshops.
con le altre mani. E dietro c'è
And behind there is
la figura di una donna mamma col bambino,
figure of a mother with her child,
che è la tenerezza
which symbolizes tenderness.
della pace.
This is my message signed today for you.
Thank you.
Io,
And these are some of the books that I've written.
All right.
lei sa,
I'm an avid reader. I will.
Leggo tanto, quindi grazie.
Thank you.
thank you very much for listening. Pray for me, don't forget.